optimum length. And because you can rely on us to give you more, you can even get bonus points. We're a bank by name, and Sainsbury's by nature. Search Sainsbury's Bank.
Traditions. This Veganuary, we say hello to an old friend, Carrie Lohman, back with a plant-based twist. It's been a while since you slurped that creamy coconut broth. Now chopped with vegan teriyaki.
Don't miss A Man Called Oliver in cinemas now.
For delicious award-winning jerky and protein, visit RagingBullSnacks.com and enjoy 15% off your first order.
Raging Bull Snacks, made without compromise.
I just walk to the door. Watch the eyes of Count Dracula. Then dodge the footfall of a towering Brachiosaurus in a grown-up guide to dinosaurs. I tried sitting about with French and Saunders. Before dozing off to the rainforest rope hammock to sleep sound with Jamie Dornan. For stories you won't hear anywhere else, visit Audible, the home of storytelling. Subscription required. See audible.co.uk for terms.
Hello, Chico. Come to Einstein. You know I love tracking the energy we use on our smart meter display. Well, now I found ways to help us save money on our energy bill, like learning how to lower our combi boiler flow temperature and shorten our showers to 4 minutes. Exactly. I'll track our energy use on my smart meter display.
For more ways to save money, search Smart Energy Tips. Eligibility may vary. Consumer action required.
I mean,